can you believe this is a Dollar Tree? This is worth showing you guys. Check this out. Yes, this is really happening. In March of 2021, Dollar Tree launched a brand new section of the store called Dollar Tree Plus. And this has been in the works for a while. Back in 2015, Dollar Tree acquired Family Dollar and created a hybrid store with lots of success. So they decided to bring a similar idea on a smaller scale to other stores. It's available in 120 stores nationwide, and they're looking to expand it to 500. It's almost like Five Below comes into Dollar Tree with many items priced $3 to $5. At first, I was a little bit skeptical because the real charm of Dollar Tree is that everything is $1. The whole rest of the store is still just $1. This is just an extra section that they're adding in. My local store started this rollout, and I'm not gonna lie, I was totally nosy going in this store to check on their progress. Pro tip, when you see the boxes out, there's a picture on the outside of what's on the inside, so you get to see all the fun stuff that's coming. And man, I could not believe some of the scores. While I don't think everything is a super great deal, some of these items you don't want to miss, so let me share it with you. Oh my gosh, you guys, stop. You know we gotta start with the organization. I was blown away by the bins and containers, and all of these are only $5. Look at these, for $5 for the garage? Oh my gosh. That is the cheapest price I have ever seen anywhere, including Hobby Lobby with a coupon. They also had tons of beautiful outdoor supplies like these side tables for only $5. Tons of people were in store shopping for these. They also had an entire section dedicated to laundry and organization with totes that I've purchased on Amazon for $6 to $7 a piece, and the Dollar Tree had them for just $3. That even beats the Dollar General. So they have these big storage cubes which feel higher quality than their standard ones. Also, these closet organizers, definite yes. These $5 totes would be great for holiday decor. These are so great for garages and closets too. They are only $3, and these are quite quality. So that's a really good find. These laundry hampers are just $3, and they seem really, really nice. That's a good deal. These are a little bit pricey at $5 each. I think if they lower this to $3, they would sell much better. I also couldn't believe some of the home decor finds. They were beautiful, right at that $3 to $5 price point. This is only $3, you guys. You couldn't even DIY it for that price. So pretty. LED light strips for $5. These really pretty crackle globes. Lots of salt lamps, a Zen garden. For $5, they have these wall shelves, and it comes in 2 different colors, a white and a black. Another thing that really blew me away were the pillows. They were really high quality, and I was super excited to find a buffalo check one. They also have character pillows, which are way more expensive at Walmart. I didn't love all the designs and patterns on some of the fabrics, but there were a lot of gems that you could find in the aisles. All the Nickelodeon characters. Oh, they have a Snoopy shirt. Oh, that one's already sold out. That's my generation. In the home section, something I would skip are the towels. They didn't seem super high quality to me, but the rugs, especially the outdoor mats, were fantastic for just $5, and the quality is great. This is nice. For $5. Now for my crafters out there, in January of 2020, Dollar Tree rolled out the Crafters Square, and everything there is $1. But they also extended this to the Dollar Tree Plus section. They have everything from wooden items to picture frames to wood rounds that are double the price at my local craft store. So these are all great finds. This is great for crafting. Holy bananas. These canvases are $3 each. You could put 3 of these out like this, do a little DIY. I mean, this would look stunning in our bonus room. What? Oh my gosh. They also had tons of kids' toys, so this is definitely a spot to check out for birthday parties. And I was really impressed with the electronics section. Now, I haven't tried any of these out yet, but if you have kids that blow through electronics or constantly lose them, this would be a great place to start shopping. These are NBA basketballs. Actually, that's a really good deal for this. They have an automatic light soap dispenser for your kids for $3. Whale sprinklers. This would make a really great birthday present. They also had had an entire section of kitchenware, and everything was $5. From pots and pans to cutting boards. For a first apartment or a college student, I think these are really quality for what you're getting. And I don't know about you, but I was really excited about the bakeware too. Fabulous deal. They also had an entire section of name brand cleaning supplies. I don't think these prices are much better than you're going to find at Walmart or even Dollar General, but the fact that they're offering them in full sizes now makes it really convenient. My biggest takeaway is in the Dollar Tree Plus section, keep your eyes out for those hidden gems because they do exist. I cannot wait to hear your comments down below. Do you guys have a Dollar Tree Plus store near you? I found it really difficult to find where they were online, and they're slowly rolling them out, so keep your eyes on the lookout. Thank you guys so much for being here. If nobody has told you today, you are enough, and I cannot wait to catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe because I want to see you there. Bye. Hey, Charlie.
Yeah.
I bought us another pillow.